Hello, it's Kev here from dataSights, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to connect Excel to your cloud database. So first thing is log into your data hub, click on your cloud database, and you really want to make sure that your IP address is added to the firewall. If you want to know how to do that, just watch this handy little video over here. And from there, what you want to do is obviously open up Excel, since we want to connect Excel to the cloud database, so we can pull that data down with just one click. So click on the data tab, get data from database, from SQL Server Database. Flip on back over here. You'll see here it wants to get the server name. So that's this handily named server name field over here. You can ignore the database and the advanced options. We keep it simple. Again, click database over here. And then this is your username and password. So I'm just going to pause the video while I show the password here. So just when you get to this point, add in your login to your Data Hub platform. We just put this extra layer of security in here to keep your password super safe. So let me just pause. And now I have that password in my clipboard. I can come in over here and off we go. All right, now you've now connected to your database. If you want to say pull down, this is all zero data. So if you want to pull down, say, the chart of accounts, you can pull down multiple in one go, but for this exercise, we'll just pull down this and then hit load. And important to click this load to button, because you want to make sure that the table radio button and the new worksheet button is selected. After that, you click OK, and then you set up. You're not going to have to do this again. So now, if you can now build your X lookups or your sum ifs or V lookups off of this, pivot tables off of this, save this report book down, obviously, and then say, for example, tomorrow or an hour, however often we're refreshing your data, you just, in order to update your reports, you just come data, refresh all, and off you go. There you go. Other than that, not much really. I'm just trying to think. No, I think that's it. You never have to export a CSV again. That's important. All right. We'll chat to you later. Cheers. Bye-bye.